Hello, hello, hello. Welcome and welcome back. Today I'm making puff pastry Haitian smoke herring patty. Ok, jodi an ma fe yon ti pate Haitien ki mette aran la dan, ok? If it's your first time, welcome. Please subscribe so you can see more videos. Right now, I just add on some olive oil, bell peppers, onions, mettez l'huile d'olive, oignons, et puis piment douce. Right now, this is my smoked herring that I did boil it and then cut it into pieces. Add it in. Nte bouilli aran et puis mettez-li. Right now, I'm putting in some garlic. The garlic is like, for me, it's a must. Mettez yon l'ail la dan, crush l'ail la. Alright. Et puis na boisse, we stirring up. And then this is the hot pepper that I use, piment piqué, pour balance spice up. Okay, mix, and then that's it. Right now I just add some flour on the pan, on the board. I'm using this already made pastry puff that I got from the store, and it's really good. M'utiliser pâte à mâcher tout fait, right? Saves me the trouble. Mettons un petit farine pour pas coller l'eau à pouvel, so it won't be sticky. So I just add the little flour on the board. All right. Right now, getting it ready. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help me grow my channel. Pa oublier, abonner, partager pour ka pi bon belle video m'bral poster. Just use the little roller and then just roll it up lightly. Just koui roller en souli. Very light. And then now I'm gonna use my pizza cutter to cut it up. M'utiliser cutter sa pou m'couper li. Ou ka utiliser couteau, whatever you have on hand, but that's what I had. Since I had it, I used it. And then just put the foslan under the filling. I just added in, and now I'm closing it up with the fork. Fin mette filling nan dani, so mette konya ma family de kwa ke pou pa ouve. Okay, give it a little shape, design. Okay, and then here we go, the second one. Just continue to do so until you're done. Just continue faire ça until you finish. Okay, just close it up, the same process, the same steps. Close it up, use the fork, utilize fourchette là, balti designy, et puis you're good to go. All right, partagez, abonnez, et puis quittez un like, quittez un comment, and we're done. We just put it on the pan. This is a hot pan. I did put it on in the oven for like 2 minutes. Right now I'm just doing the eggs, beating some eggs so you can do the on top, egg wash on top, so you can give it this nice golden color. M'kase 2 œufs et puis pat li on top li. De kwa ke pou ka bal bel ti koule. Mette l for 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes and you're done. 400 degrees pour 25 à 30 minutes ou fini. This was so good, y'all. Like, oh my God, I couldn't believe it. This was my first time trying to make it at home. I always buy it from the bakery. So I decided to make it at home, and that was it. Bye.